AVPT stock analysis. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all that, so watch till the end. AvePoint, it's a decent 8% increase. I'm the only guy in this page, by the way, that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. And then still ultimately looking at AvePoint. I'm not looking at this and being like, right, oh, bro, I literally called it out. And here is my call out. This was 2 days ago, 8th of May. Right? That's how the video looked like, and it was post-market. And in that particular instance, man, this thing just absolutely took off. Still, all I'm looking to do is just ideally take the highs out, deliver above the highs, above 1990. But if there is some sort of corrections and then some sort of, candlesticks that do make sense, and there's actually like a full-on correction here, then there's nothing stopping me from buying more. But I'm just saying, if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.